I think we're good.
Mama, this is thin.
Yeah, from your makeup. Can I see your face? Too much makeup, baby. Where are we going?
New York.
Why are you not happy?
Oh, I like the seat.
No, you're not sitting there.
Oh, Nina,
Move to the back.
I want to sit here, Mom.
Move to the back.
I like here.
Okay. Baby, remember you
Okay, our trip is, naku po, 10 hours. Non-stop yan, ha? Windsor to New York. Siyempre, titigil kami. So, siguro mga 11 hours kami.
Five na ba?
Yan. Daan tayong Gordie Howe Bridge. Nag-open lang tong bridge na ito 3 days ago or 2 days ago.
Monday.
So parang wala pa siyang 1 week. Tatawirin namin. Actually, we tried crossing it. Pabalik kami from Chicago. Hindi namin na mali yung nadaanan namin. Okay, so ngayon, dadaan tayo doon. Anong highway na to, babe?
Ito, 401 to.
This is 401. Ayun yung Gordie Howe, guys. So, yung mari pa-triangle na nakikita nyo. I don't know if it's too visible in the camera.
Yan yun, yung bago.
Yeah. Ayan, bagong toll gates. Ngayon lang din tayo dumaan bali dito, Jay. Right? And we still do not know. Ngayon lang natin malalaman magkano ang toll dito.
Yes,
Kung mas mahal sa Ambassador. Magkano nga ba yung sa Ambassador, babe, kagabi?
Ambassador usually mga $9.
Oh, $9. We'll see how much this will cost us.
Kasi mas closer.
Alam ko cheaper eh.
Dito?
Good, how are you, sir?
Hello. There you go.
We're good, boss.
Thank
you.
you.
You too, man.
So it's $8. Ayun, nakita niyo. Ay, $8 Canadian.
$5.75 US.
Oh, $5.75 US.
Mama,
Ang daming pinagdaanan ng bridge na to. Yes, baby.
this like the US.
Not
US
yet. Ito na yung bridge. We're getting closer. Ang daming pinagdaanan nito. 8 years in the making.
Pero kung gusto,
Parang mga last year pa sabi pwede nang gamitin, but the US didn't want to open it. Alam nyo naman, nasa balita din last week na 50-50 yata yung kita daw ngayon. Napapayag ni President Donald Trump yung Canada na gano'n ang mangyari kahit na wala naman silang ginasto sa pagpapagawa nitong bridge na ito. Wow! Look at it, guys! Ang lapad!
Lapad niya yun.
Compared sa Ambassador Bridge.
This
Teka,
is America.
yun nga lang, wala masyadong view ng river. Hindi tulad sa Ambassador Bridge kasi may harang. Tingnan yung gilid, oh. May barricade.
look straight.
Okay, wow.
Like the, ano to?
Oculus.
Oculus, yeah.
Yeah, tama. It looks like the Oculus in New York City.
It looks like QC Circuit.
3 lanes per side, no?
Quezon City? Quezon City Circuit.
Wow. Look at that.
Maybe 4 lanes.
4 ba?
You know, 4, I don't see.
Oh, hindi. Parang shoulder lang yata.
Shoulder
ba yun?
lang.
Mama, are we crossing the new bridge?
Yes, we are. We're
That's
here
the
right
flag,
now.
look, Canada, that's the border, Canada and USA.
Where's the US?
It's my country now! Goodbye, Canada!
Hindi masyado lang kita yung view ng river kasi sa Ambassador pag tumatawid ka maganda eh.
Ayun, oh.
Wala, may harang eh.
Sa malayo, akala mo liliit ng wire eh, no? Pero mo, laki oh.
Ang ganda,
United
no?
States of America.
Sobrang taas. Ang ganda nito in person, guys, no?
Wait lang, ginawang kape. Shoes ko,
Ayan. And it feels longer than the Ambassador Bridge.
Ano lang sumaba?
Oh, ayan.
Sa Dumbo. You can never walk through it?
Ayun yung Ambassador ba, Jay?
Yes.
Yeah, ayun. Yung green doon sa kabila.
Of course.
Ang haba nito.
Are you gonna be like physically tired in your camp?
No, it's like for school.
Oh, for
It's
school.
like, yeah.
Why are you winking? It's like it's for school.
Mga ang ingay guys, no? Sorry ah.
Sorry. but
Cars
I'm
here, babe.
sorry.
Okay.
Cars on the left, yeah. Cars kaliwa.
Are you a car or a truck?
Pagbigyan nyo na confused pa first time eh. Ang lawak guys. Okay, ito lang yung sa cars.
Ang daming
Kabila
lanes, oh.
yung trucks. Ang dami. Wow.
It's like the head of Cobra.
Pero hindi pa lahat nakabukas, no? Hindi mo naman kailangan konti pa lang tao ngayon.
Like a head of Cobra. Dito siya na lahat.
Oh, ito na pala passport natin. Oh my gosh.
Like sa left, sarado ka, all traffic is left. Yung lane mo is closed.
Is the other side New York?
Not yet. The other side is still Detroit.
Detroit, Michigan, baby.
Oh no, we have like
Okay.
1,000 minutes.
Mama?
Okay. Tapos na kami. Mabilis lang naman. Tinanong lang ko sa kami pupunta
Baby, where I'm never
and how long we will be gone. Oh, ito yun. No? Okay. I read somewhere, mas maganda daw to for long travel kasi diretso daw from Windsor to I-95.
Oh, di ba bilis na tayo pag
Oo, highway na daw agad
Going
to.
to New York na talaga yun.
So, mas maganda in our case
Nagwapo naman ng mga officers dito.
dire-diretso na. Kasi sa Ambassador, magdadaan ka pa yata
Hindi,
ng
Detroit proper.
city eh. Oo. Okay. Tingnan natin saan lalabas
Ang
to.
lawak niya.
Pwedeng mag-jersey.
Oy, kilala nyo ba kung sino si Gordie Howe, guys? By the way.
Mag-jersey. or
JJ guessed it right.
ano yun?
Hindi siya politician, hindi siya ano ba, mga engineer, okay? Gordie
Discovery.
Howe is a hockey player. Oy, teka, meron ganito. Tingnan natin. He's a hockey player, born in Canada, tapos naglaro siya for the Detroit team at sumikat siya ng husto. So, I read na pinangalan sa kanya to
Why do you
para
have to name it to him?
parang symbol daw tita ng unity.
Unity ng Canada.
Oo, kasi galing Canada pero naglaro sa US and then he's well loved by both sides.
Mama?
Yes, darling.
Is my lipstick still there?
Your lipstick, it's still there. It's good, okay? Tingnan natin. Sa totoo, conflicting yung reports, babe, tungkol sa ano dun sa toll division. Parang may soundbite kasi si Mark Carney, sinasabi niya, hindi daw mapupunta lang sa Canada. I mean, mapupunta lang sa Canada lahat ng revenues until mabawi yung investment.
Then that's the time.
And yet, some are saying, hindi, the contract itself says, tama yung sinasabi ng US.
50-50.
50-50 for about 15 years, I think. Parang ganun. Is this a highway na? Ito na? I-95?
I-75.
I-75? Okay, I-75. Mali pala ako. Ba't ako I-95 ng I-95? I-75 ha? Okay, that's it. O ano, babe? Okay?
Long way to go, baby.
10 hours pa kami. O sige. Ano dadaanan natin mga states ulit?
Ohio, which is Cleveland. Ohio, Pennsylvania, and then New York, or New Jersey.
Yun na ba? Okay. Wow. Nasa may bandang Cleveland na kami, guys. Mga ano pa lang, wala pang 2 hours tayo na sa biyahe.
1 hour and 15. Ganun.
Tagal pa.
Tagal po na.
Tagal pa. Puro tulog na mga kasama namin, no? Halos. Tulog na.
Jersey. At 36 minutes away from Queen.
Mag-canal ka na lang, tapos Williamsburg.
We are in Queens, New York. Oo, taga dito si Spider-Man. It's almost 6 a.m. 5:30 a.m. pala. Bating siguro kami mga 15 minutes ago. Pinasok lang namin yung mga gamit namin. Halos hindi pa ako nakakatulog. No? Si Luna lang ang mahimbing na nakatulog. We traveled for 12 hours. Grabe. Pero, medyo nagising-gising na ako dahil nagbaba kami ng gamit at lahat. And we saw, this is a train station here. Very convenient yung location ng bahay nila tita. Train station, may bukas na stall ng bagels and coffee. Gusto ko yata makatikim ng freshly baked bagels, freshly cooked bagels with cream cheese. Total, medyo gutom na rin ako eh. Ano yung dalawang nag-drive?
Please.
Kalahating araw, grabe. Dito kami by 40th. By the 40th train station along Queens Boulevard. This is Queens Boulevard. Ito yung train station yan.
Kailan na uso yung chaptis?
At si bagel shop na pupuntahan natin sa ilalim ng tulay.
Meron na sila. Meron na.
From this station, babe, diba? From this station, parang
I think it's
dalawang sakay lang. Nasa ano ka na, sa may...
6 stops. Ano ka na? Times Square.
6 stops. Pero isang sakay lang, no? Hindi ka nalilipat ng train. O, diba? Napaka-convenient.
Pero extend ka ng extend. Ako na rin.
Sunnyside Halal Food. Muna tayo. I just want a bagel and cream cheese, babe. Oh, that's it. Oh,
Everything or sesame?
everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Make cream cheese na inside. You guys want to try that? Okay, cream cheese. Thanks.
Ito yung station namin. Gonna walk back. Yung McDonald's na yan, nakikita nyo ba? Teka, zoom in ko ng konti. Yang McDonald's na yan, dito yung sa Coming to America, Jay, diba? Diyan nag-shoot yung Coming to America, diba nag-work si Eddie Murphy sa isang fast food. Na iba yung pangalan, parang McDonald's din, but that's the branch where they shot it at.
Alam mo yung sabi nila, pag bagong gawa yung bagel, no, wag na wag yung ito-toast. Bakit? Kasi dahil masarap yung kung bago luto, kung paano luto. Kaya alam ko una niyang sinabi, ha?
Dito kami. So, dito na kami guys, papasok na kami.
Sulit ko.
Good morning. Oo, I'm still wearing the same clothes. Grabe, bagsak na lang kami kagabi, no? JJ went out early to park the car. You know, big issue dito sa Queens yung parking. We have to move it to the correct side para hindi ka mahuli. Actually, hindi ako familiar dun sa rules. Alam ko lang he had to be in his car and sleep here until 11 o'clock. Side, babe.
Basta pag dumaan lang yung cleaning car ba tawag doon? Basta cleaner.
Oh.
Wala ka dito sa spot. Tapos may dumadaan na
Kailangan may tao.
hindi, aalis ka pag dumaan yung truck.
O okay.
Kasi ililinisin niya yung sidewalk eh. May
I see.
nililinis.
Ayun pala.
Tapos may traffic enforcer na tumitingin kung may tao o wala.
But after 11, you can go. Maulan in Queens today. Pahinga muna kami, recharge, bawi sa tulog, and then magpaplano na kami ni JJ ng aming food vlog. Sabi ko sa kanya, gawa kami ng episode about popular New York eats na affordable. O, papasok na ulit kami kay tita, no? Maikling episode lang to, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo, by the way, yung backyard nila, tita. Sana umaraw na para masarap ang tambayan namin dito. Diba? Okay, o sige na, maikling episode lang naman ito. It's really more on the Gordie Howe Bridge. What do you think about that bridge, no? Ang ganda, diba? Bye for now!